Everybody, Jen V is here, pre-planning expert with nearly 20 years experience helping seniors and their families get their affairs in order. On this channel, I give you tips, insider info, and resources on how to get your ducks in a row, and I've taken care of everything for your family. So, if legacy planning and not leaving a mess for your kids to deal with is important to you, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to answer the question, why you need an affairs in order guide. I'll tell you. Why every senior needs an affairs in order guide is very simple. Do your loved ones know where your insurance policy is? What about your will? Passwords? Do they even know what your final wishes are? If not, you need my affairs in order guide. It's 5 easy steps, and I've created this within the Legacy Guide system, a step-by-step guide that takes workbooks, templates, and my guide to help you organize everything that matters. Start with my free Vital Statistics Worksheet, link in bio, and when you're ready to finally put everything in place, go ahead and grab my Legacy Guide system. It's only $27, and I've taken everything that I know about pre-planning and put it in my guide and worksheets. This is a beautiful gift to give to your family. Do what needs to be done. Haven't you waited long enough? Your family deserves to have everything settled and not be left scrambling and guessing. Everyone needs the Vital Statistics Worksheet. Grab it now. My gift to you. Take care, everybody.